Okay, the pros and cons of teleworking. What is teleworking? Remote remote work or work from home WFH or distant work is the activity of working at home while communicating with your colleagues and office by phone or email or using the internet. When teleworking, employees do not have to commute or travel to a central place or a warehouse or a building or a store. So let's talk about the pros and cons of teleworking or working from home. Just like any other kind of work or arrangement, remote work or teleworking has its own upside and downsides. For every person who is either um, new to remote work, must consider the pros and cons of this kind of work. Pros 1. Higher productivity. People who are working remotely tend to be more productive than compared to their in-office colleagues. Several reasons enhance productivity of remote workers. One such reason is less distractions. When working remotely, no one is going to come to your desk and discuss uh, trivial matters and have a discussion that you have no interest about it. Moreover, many remote jobs allow you to work um, many remote jobs uh, does not does not you must not have to work 5 to 9 hours like the in office outdoors. You can work in a flexible way whenever you are productive. Two, better work and life balance. Working remotely means that you can spend more time with your family. Additionally, it is possible to create a schedule that help you to achieve the perfect balance between work and personal life. Not commuting to work means that you can save a significant amount of time. Thus, you can utilize these saved hours by getting some extra time daily to manage your personal life. Remote workers can be more happy and satisfied with their jobs. 3. Healthier lifestyle. Maintaining a healthier lifestyle as an office worker can be quite difficult. Many individuals believe that the everyday hustle restricts them from having balanced meals, especially in the mornings and the afternoons. When you work from home, you don't have to do certain things like getting ready to the office, commuting to work, etc. As a result, you can save a considerable amount of time and utilize it to maintain a healthy lifestyle. More saving and lesser carbon footprints. Another key advantage of working remotely is that you can save more money each year. Just imagine all the bills that you pay for transportation, parking tickets, vehicle maintenance, and eating at a fancy restaurant, they all cease to exist. All the savings become a reality when you are working remotely, and you can reduce your carbon footprints as you will not take your vehicle outside. Additionally, it will not only help you to do your bit to save the environment, but also save fuel to the future. Cons 1. Communication gaps. One of the most important things that must not be missed from remote working is that you can have a proper communication with your colleagues. In an office, it's easy to approach your colleague or a worker and have a conversation with them. But when you're working remotely, uh, you must rely on video calls and messages. But it can never be the same as face-to-face communication. 2. Difficult to stay motivated. As there's no active supervision or your colleagues around you, it can be difficult to stay motivated and meet your targets. In fact, this has always been one of the biggest challenges associated with remote work. Lack of social interaction. It's obvious that you are going to miss social interaction with remote working, especially when you are an extrovert or a social butterfly. Also, when you're working the whole day without talking to anyone, you are most likely to feel lonely. Remote work is possibly the best work arrangement if you want to manage your personal life better while staying productive at your work. However, there are some pitfalls of remote work that you must consider. You need to consider and have to push yourself to successfully overcome them.